And in today's adventure, we're gonna be exploring the Aviation Museum in Pueblo, Colorado, so stay tuned. The Pueblo Weisbrod Aircraft Museum isn't just about airplanes, it's packed with history. From massive bombers to small training planes and military vehicles that look straight out of a movie, there's something incredible at every turn. One of the stars here is the B-29 Super Fortress, painted as Peachy. The original Peachy flew 35 combat missions over Japan during World War II, under the command of Pueblo native Captain Robert T. The aircraft on display is a tribute to the legendary bomber and its crew, a piece of living history. You can even step inside some of the planes and get a real feel for what life was for pilots and crews back in the day. The museum also features artifacts from the different wars and replicas from early space missions. Every corner tells a story. If you're ever in Pueblo, make time for this place. The Aircraft Museum is a true hidden gem where aviation and history come to life.